Hi, my name is Juan Paulo Se, or you can call me JPJ. Together with my team, we proposed the project FlowMo or Flow Monitor. So, FlowMo started with a question: does the youth feel safe on the roads or streets of Naga due to traffic? In order to answer this question, we conducted a survey among the youth in Naga City this past December. And what we found out is quite shocking. The result of the survey says that 80% of the youth felt unsafe on the streets of Naga, streets or roads. And the reason for this is because of traffic. So why does traffic affect their mindset? At at 4 p.m. or at 5 p.m. in the afternoon, students leave school, and whenever an influx of those pedestrians went out of the school, traffic occurs, and the students are forced to walk, not because they wanted, it's because of traffic. And what causes this traffic are few and far between. The first one is the illegal parking. Illegal parking is a festering problem that occurs in Naga City, and FlowMo wishes to solve this problem. What is the goal of our project? So the goal of the project is, as I've said earlier, it is to lessen the traffic in Naga and to lessen the illegal parking violations. How can we achieve that? So FlowMo is a project that aims to create a device that will keep track of certain areas that have an illegal parking area. So we can keep track or keep our eyes on this area so that whenever an illegal parking occurs, we can apprehend or we can relay the message to the authorized personnel that can apprehend or make these vehicles move out of the way. Our potential partners, which are the PSO. PSO stands for Public Safety Office. They are the ones who enforce traffic rules, traffic safety. This March, we are trying to develop the device. So we have already made our prototype, and that is set to be refined this April. So we are going to adjust as much as we can for this project, and in May we are going to be officially launching this device on the areas that we see a big influx of illegal parking. The hardships that we encountered are in the technical aspect, because we are really beginners in machine learning. So when we say FlowMo keeps track of illegal parking. How do we know if an illegal parking has taken place? So we use machine learning algorithms, and what we chose is YOLO V8. If you are a little bit tech savvy, you might know what YOLO V8 is, but for layman's term, it's just an AI that can detect objects. So, and in FlowMo, we set to detect vehicles like motors, cars, vans, etc. And once an illegal parking detection has been detected, we program it so that this device can send a message to PSO personnel so that they can act immediately. What we enjoy the most is the progression of the project planning, and as well as the interaction with fellows and mentors. So during the time of the mentorship, we have interacted with them a lot, and we felt the joy, and literally we are feeling blessed that we have been given the opportunity to making our skills more, or giving us skills and giving us the time to prepare for the project. That's all. Thank you very much.